drink a little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, a little too much.
Think I'm gonna do is maybe cut bangs in this, because the other thing I don't really see it working out because the length. So yeah, certain wigs do challenge me, and this is one of them right here. So yeah, I'm going more for like a curly. It looks so crazy. I'm going more for like a curly type of fro like action. So I think I'm gonna cut bangs or whatever. Let's see, I don't want to manipulate the hair too much, but the good thing about this hair is that my fingers are going like right through the curls, and it's not getting too crazy. But I am gonna like open this up a bit. I don't want it to be too crazy, but yeah, 16 inches. So 16 inches curly, remember that is really short. This hair can be flat iron because it's heat resistant, but I don't want to do all of that. So I'm about to cut the lace and the bangs, and just watch me. Big old forehead. I'm spraying some water and conditioner on it because I'm running out of mousse. But the thing I like about this wig is the curls. You can comb right through it. So I'm trying to figure out is where I want the bangs to be, because you know I did bangs on one of my other wigs, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably start cutting right here, and I'm gonna cut shorter just so when it, I'm gonna cut longer just so when I know what I'm going for, you know, but it's like to execute it is what I need to do. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more, and yeah, because I just feel like curly wigs and curly hair that's like this length, only thing you could really do is like something like that. Don't mind me, trust the process, y'all. The color is really good. Like, I don't do brown often. Sometimes here and there, like the last hair you saw that I had, but it's not bad. I think this is the number 4 actually. I gotta check and see. But anyway, trust the process. much volume on this side, but I don't want to cut into the wig too crazy. I did that before. It didn't work out, so I'm just really trying to like put some water on it just to like get it to go down a bit, because that'll help. I'm not getting a lot of shedding, surprisingly, so that's a good thing. I want to comb it, but I know I shouldn't do that. So I'm just trying to get these bangs together. You know how hard bangs is to really get correct, you know? But this is all about shaping and cutting and shaping and cutting, so gotta have patience. You're like, you just look crazy, sis. I know. Told you some of the wigs is a challenge for me, lengthwise, so trust the process. I'm just really gonna go in and just finger comb, speed it up, and yeah, you'll see at the end. Alright y'all, so this is the look that I came up with. This is the bangs. If you watch my videos, it goes good with my eyes. If you watch my videos, you'll know that I usually do bangs when I get these type of wigs. This is what I could come up with. I really do like this brown color. I never actually had my hair this color before, but yeah, this wig won't be for everybody, but for people who like short curly hair, this is for you. So basically I just like picked it out or like finger combed it out. I cut these bangs, which is really hard to do. Sometimes, it just depends. And yeah, pretty much my hands go through it. I got a little bit of shedding, nothing too crazy. But yeah, the wig is 16 inches, so that would be like 16 inches stretch. This wig is not for everybody, like I said. Like, if you like big curly hair, yeah, it's for you. But I know what I was going for, like a curly type of fro or whatever. I did put water and conditioner. This side needs a little bit more. I did cut a little bit of volume out on the side. You can do more if you want, just so it can be a little further down. But let me put y'all up here. I'm like from the 70s or something with this type of hair. But yeah, for the most part, the hair itself is really good, like quality. I never worked with Donmily before. I heard of them, you know, quite a few times. But you can also straighten this hair. This is 100% heat resistant, so if you have the patience and the time and you really don't like the curls or whatever, you can straighten it. Usually that's what I do, but I looked at all these curls and the volume and I was like, I'm not straightening this hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave everything down below. You don't have to cut bangs if you don't want to. That's just what I came up with. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and check out Donmily hair, because their hair quality and texture is really good. Like I said, I didn't really get any major shedding or nothing like that, and you see my hands just go right through the hair, and I like the color. You see the color of it, as I stated many times, and it goes with my eyes really well. But yeah, other than that, see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.